SPM specializes in precision sheet metal manufacturing, offering turnkey operations from design engineering to machining, bending, welding, powder coating, and final assembly. By combining smart technology with skilled teams, we support our customers' product and design needs. What makes SPM different is our team members, our customers, and our suppliers. Our customers, we listen, we really try to understand their needs. And our suppliers, they're our partners, and they make us successful.
Our culture at SPM is all about collaboration, innovation, and continuous improvement. We create an environment where employees feel supported, valued, and empowered.
SPM really cares about its team members. And so everything that we do, from collaboration to planning to employee engagement events, are all to build on the momentum and the culture of our team members.
We train our people here because it matters for our customers. They depend on us to know what we are doing and to do it with excellence.
We want to keep moving. We want to keep growing. We want people to have an opportunity to grow and to advance in their careers here and to learn new things.
I get to come in and see a lot of smiling faces, happy people, people that are waving to you as you walk by. That's what makes SPM fun for me.
We're ISO certified, and that means that our safety program, quality management system, and all of our production processes are accredited to an international known standard.
We're really working on trying to establish a relationship with customers and understand what their needs truly are and find ways to tailor solutions to meet their needs.
Our values are everything. They spell out built, best people, urgency, integrity, learning, and teamwork. We're all experts in something. We're not experts in everything. And that's where we become reliant on each other to help us get to those next levels.
Our culture is a big differentiator between other fabricators because we build engaged and empowered teams.
We have about 1,500 continuous improvements that are submitted by our team members each year, and we celebrate that as an organization.
I really feel that it is our people here at SPM that make the difference. It really is what gives us that competitive edge.
Come see us, come visit us, take a tour. I promise when you get here, you're going to be very impressed because we are going to help you with your needs: on-time delivery, lead times, quality, and price.